A Fitness Sports Footwear Guide. Chapter 1. Fitness Sports Footwear for Sale. Fitness Sports Footwear Websites. There are many running shoe and athletic wear outlet stores around. Check out the outlet section in your local area. Beyond running shoes, many of these companies also sell sportswear. Adidas.com, Columbia.com, Dudleysports.com, Fila.com, Footlocker.com, MYershoes.com, NewBalance.com, Nike.com, Puma.com, Reebok.com, REI.com, Rockland.com, RunningRoom.com, Canada, RunningsTour.com, Reselathletic.com, Sebago.com, Spalding.com, TattooMe.com, TheAthletesFoot.com. Fitness Sports Footwear for Sale 1. Adidas USA. 5675 North Blackstock Road, Spartansburg, South Carolina 29303. 800-423-4327. 800-448-1796. Adidas.com. ASICStiger.com. 800-678-9435. Obvioselect.com. 888-855-2842. Brooksports.com. 800-227-6657. Columbia.com. 800-MABOIL. DrSchollsShoes.com. 800-766-6465. East Bay Running Store. 427 3rd St. Wausau, Wisconsin 54403. 800-826-2205. EastBay.com. GoldsonLine.com. 800-457-5375. Mephisto.com. 888-588-6883. Walking Shoes. MizunoUSA.com. 800-966-1211. New Balance Athletic Shoes. 38 Everett St. Boston, Massachusetts 02134. 800-343-4648. 800-253-7463. NewBalance.com. Fitness Sports Footwear for Sale 2. Nike. 1 Bowerman Drive, Beaverton, Oregon 97005. 800-344-6453. 800-806-6453. Nike.com. PaylessShoeSource.com. 800-444-7463. PearlizeUMI.com. 800-877-7080. Puma.com. 800-662-7862. Reebok. 100 Technology Center Drive, Stoughton, Massachusetts 02072. 800-228 Pump. 800-648-5550. Reebok.com. Roadrunner Sports. 6310 Nancy Ridge Road, Number 107, San Diego. CA 92121. 800-551-5558. Roadrunnersports.com. Rockport.com. 800-762-5767. RidersEyewear.com. 800-665-2903. Rika.com. 888-834-7952. Saucony/Hyde. 13 Centennial Drive, Peabody, Massachusetts 01961. 800-365-7282. 888-203-8118, Canada. Saucony.com. Skechers.com. 800-201-4659. Spalding.com. 800-225-6601. Spiegel. epub 6340. Chicago, Illinois 60680. 800-345-4500. Spiegel.com. Teva.com. 800 for Teva.